suppose it all started with the snow. You see, it is a very special kind of snow. A snow to make the happy happier and the giddy even giddier. A snow to make a homecoming homier and natural enemies friends. Natural. For it was the first snow of the season. And as any child can tell you, there's a certain magic to the very first snow. Especially when it falls on the day before Christmas. For when the first snow is also a Christmas snow, well, something wonderful is bound to happen.
Children, back to your seats. The snow can wait. Now. I've hired Professor Hinkle, the magician, to entertain at today's class Christmas party. So pay attention.
Now, Professor Hinkle was just about the worst magician in the world.
And so I put the magic eggs into my hat. Abracadabra, to coin the phrase. And voila, the eggs have turned into... Messy. Where is that? Hocus pocus, where are you? Bah! The only thing this hat's good for is the trash can.
Why, you young hoodlum?
Your dessert, Hinkle, but ouch! For some stupid, frozen water.